I get a lot of questions on how I make my juicy baked chicken. What's the secret? Well, today I am going to show you guys how to do it the proper way. Before I begin, if you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes. I know you guys can do it. Also, if you're new, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on amazing recipes like this one. And let's dive in. All right guys, to begin, I have a whole chicken here, nice and clean. Now be sure to remove any yellow residue on the chicken. I make sure I pat it dry and then we're going to start prepping. I like to cut the backbone of the chicken. That way it'll cook faster, more flavor. Imagine just cooking this whole chicken like you want the seasoning to get in there. So I'm going to cut the backbone, basically butterfly the chicken. Then you're going to do the same thing on this side. There you go. Perfect. Now that you have the chicken nice and cut up, you're going to grab your knife. This part right here in the middle, I like to just cut it like this and then just open it just like this, so the seasoning can get in there. Now, if there's any fat that you need to remove, you can just trim them like this flap right here. I don't want it. Like this. Just remove that, put it on the side. Now, this is the seasoning that I'm going to be using. I'm just gonna let you guys know ahead of time. It's onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, ground black pepper. I'm using Creole seasoning, adobo seasoning, Italian seasoning, and everything will be down below for you. I just mix everything in here. Before we start seasoning, I like to drizzle some olive oil all over the chicken. I like to season this side first. So we're going to generously sprinkle the seasoning all over the chicken just like so. Rub that in. I am going to flip it over this side so I can drizzle some oil on there. And now we can add more seasoning on there. Now, underneath this part, I like to add seasoning in here as well. I love dark meat. And this is where you can add seasoning under there as well. You want the outside and the inside to be nice and flavorful. Make sure the seasoning is all over. And now we can just place this chicken to our baking dish. Just like this. Perfect. Now, at this point, if you want to add some potatoes, some carrots, you definitely can. But now I'm getting ready to bake it. I'm going to bake it on 375 for about 1 hour to 1 hour and 15 minutes. Uncovered. I do not cover my baked chicken, never, ever, because I get a lot of questions. So let's place it in the oven for 1 hour. All right, guys, our chicken is nice and ready and it smells amazing. Come take a closer look. And there it is, guys. The chicken produces its own juice, as you can see. I'm going to add a little bit of parsley on here just to garnish. And there you go. When I tell you this chicken looks amazing, there is no doubt about it. Now, I am going to cut it and plate it for you guys. It looks so good. I know it's going to be so flavorful. Ooh, so juicy. Oh my gosh. There is no secret really. Just follow how I make it and you'll be able to make it too. So, look at that. All right, guys, it's time for me to try this amazing juicy baked chicken. Let me give it a try. I'm not going to do a lot of talking here because I am starving. My mouth is literally watering. Let's give it a try. Mmm. 10 out of 10. Okay? When I tell you, every single time I make a baked chicken recipe, it always a hit, never a miss. You got to try this. 10 out of 10. This is my specialty right there. Like, I can make baked chicken to the T. This is it right here. You got to try it. Follow the instruction, follow the direction, and you will achieve this juicy, flavorful baked chicken. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Please, I'm asking you guys, give this video a thumbs up and also drop a comment. That helps me a lot. It helps YouTube push out my videos more. So please help your sister out by giving this video a thumbs up, drop a comment about this recipe, and I will see you guys very, very soon on the next recipe. Bye guys. This is so good.